sun.
The Outer Banks. Paradise on Earth.
Will your legends free?
And that's me,
And a rotting grave.
John Booker Rutledge.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. Since you guys loved my Outer Banks inspired hairstyles video so much, I thought I would create another Outer Banks inspired video, and today we are going to do outfits. I'm also going to show you guys some cute accessories. I know in my last video there was a comment requesting how to do a bandana bracelet like Pope wears in the show, so I will put that tutorial in at the end for you guys. So definitely watch the end so you can see that. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright you guys, this first outfit is inspired by Kiara. I'm just wearing some ripped mom jeans and an oversized t-shirt that I tied up. I also have a bandana in my hair and I accessorized with a shell necklace. This outfit is just cute and comfy, and if you guys want to know how to tie your bandana up, check out my hair video. I also have a cute simple little necklace and a bralette underneath to spice up the look. My ripped mom jeans are from Aerie, and for shoes, I'm just wearing some white Birkenstocks. I feel like they really go with the casual vibe of this look. This second look is inspired by Sarah. It's very similar to the outfit she wore when her and John B went on the ferry and spent their day together. On the bottom, I just have some white ripped jean shorts and a yellow tank top. This outfit is very preppy and cute and definitely gives me kook vibes. I decided to wear my hair down just like Sarah did in the episode, and I also paired this with some layered simple gold necklaces just like Sarah wears throughout the show. My yellow top and white shorts are both from American Eagle. For my shoes, sorry, the grass is kind of blocking them, but I just wore some cute white Vans. I thought those were really preppy and definitely something that Sarah would wear. For my third outfit, I am wearing a pink crop top from Urban Outfitters, some light washed ripped jean shorts, which I believe are from TJ Maxx, and this slouchy gray cardigan from American Eagle. I also put my hair up in a half top knot, and I just think this outfit is super cozy and beachy, and I could definitely see the Outer Banks characters wearing it. I also accessorized with a simple gold necklace and a shell necklace to give those beachy vibes. And if you want a more cozy look, you can definitely button a few buttons on the cardigan, keep you warm on those cool summer nights. This outfit is definitely more Pogue inspired. I feel like I could definitely see Kiara wearing this in the show. I didn't show any specific shoes for this outfit, but I think any casual shoes would work. I think the Birkenstocks and the white Vans I showed you earlier would be super cute, or just whatever flip-flops or whatever you happen to be wearing to the beach. So yeah. You guys, this outfit went full kook. I'm just wearing a blue and white striped tube top that kind of flares at the bottom that I believe is from American Eagle. The same white ripped shorts from earlier, and then my hair is tied down in a low ponytail with a bandana. accessorized with just a simple gold necklace. I think this look is super preppy and very cute. I feel like I could definitely see Sarah wearing it. For this outfit, I wanted to give you guys something more casual. I could definitely see Kiara, one of the Pogues, wearing this outfit to go treasure hunting whenever they gotta do that dirty work, get in some fights, whatever. I also decided to pair this with a bandana bracelet, which I'm gonna show you guys how to make in a few minutes. I just tied my hair up in a messy bun like Kiara wears a ton in this show, and just a beachy shell necklace. My button-down tank top is from Target, and my black athletic shorts are from Lululemon. I'm going to really quick show you guys how to make a bandana bracelet like all of the Outer Banks characters wear. So first you're just gonna want to lay out your bandana like this, and then you're gonna want to fold it in half on the diagonal. So then it looks like this. And then you're just gonna want to fold it in half again, like this, so it's a shorter triangle. And then all you have to do is fold from the little corner all the way down. And then you might need someone's help to tie it on, but this is the general shape of the bracelet, and then it's just you. You can tie it on yourself, like so. You could do just one knot, like this. I really like the look of 2 knots, so I usually tie it a second time. And there you have it, a super cute bandana bracelet. For this last look, I wanted to give you guys something I think that both the Pogues or the Kooks would wear when they dressed up and went out for a night. So on top, I just have a ruched crop top from Zaful, and then on the bottom, I just have these really cute white and navy blue striped paper bag pants from American Eagle. I decided to wear my hair down for this one to leave it dressy, and I accessorized with a simple necklace from Kendra Scott. Now, the shoes in this one really do it for me. They're these super cool nude heels and the heel's like this really cool, like, I don't know, clear plastic chunky heel, and the part of the heel that wraps around my foot is also like this clear plasticky material. And I really apologize that the grass was so long that you couldn't see them very well, but these shoes are by Boohoo and they're so cute. I think they really dressed up the look and are definitely something the Outer Banks characters would wear. Alright you guys, that is all I have for today's video. I hope you guys got some awesome outfit inspiration and you guys can recreate these outfits. Tag me. You guys can dress just like you're from the Outer Banks now. I hope I gave you guys some ideas. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see some of the hairstyles featured in it, be sure to go ahead and check out my Outer Banks inspired hairstyles video. And go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!